Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to install M.2 SSD in ASUS VivoBook. Backup any important data, completely shut down your ASUS VivoBook and then unplug it from the power source. Open the laptop case, unscrew the bottom panel using screwdriver and then gently lift and remove the bottom panel. Start at the hinge and work your way around. Locate the M.2 slot. Find the M.2 PCLE slot on the motherboard. It is usually straightforward to identify. Remove the existing SSD. Unscrew any fastener securing the current SSD and then gently pull it out of the M.2 slot without lifting it straight up. Insert the new SSD. Hold the SSD by its edge and avoid any contact with the gold connector pins. Align the notches on the SSD with those in the M.2 slot and insert it at about a 25-degree angle. Gently press down until it clicks into the place. Then secure it by screwing in any fastener at the end of the SSD. Assemble your laptop. Replace the bottom panel by pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all screws to secure the panel. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.